Hi, my name is Ben Cook, and I'm going to talk about data and the three types that are on the screen. First, the three types are going to be data analytics, data mining, and cognitive computing, and hopefully you will have a better understanding of each type of data after this. All right, to start off with, we first have data analytics. And data analytics has a big focus on big data. Data analytics processes big data to analyze and generate new ideas to better the business strategy and efficiency. It is used by multiple businesses worldwide. In addition to that, the purpose of data analytics is to make conclusions based on all of the known data. This leads to better business decisions and can also disprove already existing theories and ideas that may be inaccurate or inefficient due to outdated, or the new theory is just simply better. Also, it is a very popular type of data, and it is growing very quickly. Data analytics is based on known data, as I previously mentioned, and some of the data may include real-time streams that can be surprisingly and incredibly processed in less than 1 minute. Okay, data, and then also an example of a proprietary data analytic program would be PAW, and an example of an open source program for data analytics would be Vixen Analytics. All right, the next type of data we have would be data mining, which deciphers big data and finds unknown patterns and hidden relationships within the data. And it also goes through large portions of data, like I said, not only big data. It utilizes complex hardware and software. The sophisticated software is used because it is way too complicated to be done by any humans. As I said before, it finds hidden relationships to make visuals for the user. It is continually getting more efficient. As data mining develops, obviously, so will innovation. We have seen improvements over time and hopefully will continue to. All right, cognitive computing. Oh, wait. Again, some of the programs that use data mining are very helpful. An example of a proprietary program is Elky, and an open source program would be Orange. All right, cognitive computing. This is the last type of data on the list, and cognitive computing is simulated human thought that has been processed in a computer model. It has a lot of do-it-yourself and teach-yourself systems as well. It betters the relationship between humans and technology as one of its main goals. The cognitive computing programs use self-learning systems to develop more and more. The programs also have the ability to use data mining and data analytics as well. Again, the systems are there in place to serve as a coach to the user, to guide the user how to use the machine or the software rather, because of the complexity of it. And a closer look into data analytics would be, the first topic was data analytics, like I previously mentioned. But data analytics gathers big data and processes it to make better business decisions. This ability of the processing power allows the data to be processed in less than a minute and is very helpful and important for all those decisions again. A better look into what data mining is all about would be that their main goal is to gather complex information and transform it into something that is more manageable and understandable to the user. Data mining uses the software to process the big data and find the hidden patterns and relationships within the data that is not seen by humans. And then cognitive computing. Again, it's human thought programmed and processed through a computer. It's a very new and cutting-edge idea, kind of hard to wrap your head around at first. Cognitive computing is artificial human thought processed in a computer model. The technology is highly innovative and advanced with a big future ahead. And then benefits from all these types of data include all these forms of data only try to enhance the user. and make the user's time spending analyzing data, looking through it, and trying to present it to others just easier for them. Leads to better business success and easier living for everybody when used properly as well. Is it relevant to people and society today? Absolutely. More and more companies worldwide are starting to adopt these new methods. They're starting to go away with the old and let in the new. They're shying away from all these old practices that have already been mastered and now have become slow to open up new ideas and new systems to provide better efficiency. And then, so as I previously mentioned, other open source and proprietary software programs that utilize everything back to cognitive computing. These programs, so a proprietary example of a cognitive computing program would be IBM Watson, which is very popular, and then an open source would be OpenCog. And then to conclude, like I said, these tools and data make our lives easier and help businesses run more smoothly, and they are constantly changing, upgrading, and becoming better. And then lastly, hopefully it will be continued to be used. I don't foresee it not. It is very cutting edge and keeps getting better and better, so it doesn't make sense to go back to something we've already mastered. Then the continuity with good results and constructive uses for these practices keep opening up more businesses' eyes and keep leading to new and better results.